Ang sublimation large format ng GT Dumaguete ginagamit na 6 na araw na may 67 total meters. Printer head area, capping, head clean, nasa na wiper pagkatapos mag head clean, nozzle test, ang system tama lang po, ground wire, AVR, with tank nilinis lang po ito every Tuesday. Ito naman yung stock namin na SIM-YK, hindi pa nagamit. Ito naman po yung nagamit na. Ito naman po yung subli paper roll, consumable monitoring, subli paper, cyan, magenta, yellow, at saka black. Daily output record. At ito naman yung ICC profile ko. Yan lang po.